Hello friends, welcome to the channel Learn English and GK. In the video Learn English Speaking and Grammar through Vocabulary, we are going to learn Oxford vocabulary with Hindi meaning, antonym, synonym, use word and sentence. Episode 66. And today's word are objective. It's adjective, noun, Hindi meaning uddesh. Definition in English as an adjective not influenced by personal opinions or a feeling, but considering only the facts. Using sentence the word objective, there's little objective evidence to suggest that he is guilty. Meaning as a noun, something that you are trying to achieve. Used as a noun in sentence, what is the main objective of this project? What family? Objectively. Adverb. Objectivity. Noun. Antonym. Prejudice. Observant. Adjective. Hindi meaning tej nazar. Definition English. Quick to notice thing. Using sentence. Observant walkers may see red deer doing the stretch of the roads. What family? Observantly. Adverb. Antonym. Inattentive. Observe. Verb. Hindi meaning nirikshan. Definition. To see or notice someone or something. Using sentence. He was observed entering the bank. What family? Observation. Noun. Antonym. Ignore. Operational. Adjective. Hindi meaning Parichalan. Definition in English ready to be used in use. Using sentence the word operational. The new airport should be fully operational by the end of the year. Word family. Operationally. Adverb. Antonym is that broken or opportune. Adjective. Hindi meaning Samayik. Definition in English at which a particular action or event occurs, especially conveniently or appropriately. Using sentence the offer couldn't have come at a more opportune moment. Antonym disadvantages. Opportunity. Noun. Hindi meaning avsar. Definition or English meaning descriptively a favorable time or set of circumstances when a particular situation makes it possible to do or achieve something. Using sentence you will have the opportunity to ask question at the end. Optimism. Noun. Ashavad. Definition in English a feeling that good things will happen and that something will be successful. A tendency to have this feeling. Using sentence, he returned with renewed optimism about the future. Word family, optimistic. Adjective, optimistically. Adverb. Antonym, pessimism. Optimum. Adjective, noun. Hindi meaning anukultam. Definition in as an adjective being the best possible, producing the best possible result. Using sentence as an adjective we aim for optimum efficiency in all our operations. Definition and as a noun the best possible condition for efficient fuel consumption. A speed of 60 MPH is about the optimum. Word family, optimal. Adjective. Option. Noun. Vikalpa. Hindi meaning vikalpa. Definition in English something that you can choose to have or do, the freedom to choose what you do. Using sentence as I said we have two options. Word family, optional. It's adjective. Thank Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion or a question, please hit the comment. If you like, hit like button and share video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.